All right, I'm super late to this. I know to keep my laptop on me, just like how I keep my phone on me, but I still gotta get this out. And I'm gonna just breeze through this. Not even gonna lie, it's maybe one of my quickest videos I done ever made. Anyway, nobody reports this week. Dave and Buster's. That's crazy. Progressive, CarMax, Kroger's. And I seen this logo somewhere. I don't know where. But that's all the people that report this week for real. Kroger's, E, Progressive, and this company top three. Boom. All right. News for this week. No crazy news for this week. All the news is on Wednesday. Retail sales, FOMC. Pretty sure they're gonna keep the rates where they at. Also, we did get news that Trump, they the US Iran reached peace deal on the Strait of Hormuz. No, I'm a little tired. Anyway, no, I don't even have no nothing for this. Let's see if I can remember off the top of my head. I can't. I'm gonna do this on the fly live. Ain't gonna, no lie. Boom. Spot, right? We came down. What did we do this week? Let's count the 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So boom. Friday we had a massive drawdown. Well, last two Fridays ago we had a massive drawdown, and it wiped a nice bit out of the market. We continued to draw down. We went as low as like right at 5% with this candle wick, and now we are here. And with the news that was just reported with the peace deal with Iran, 9 times out of 10, more than likely, the stocks will go up. What I'll be looking for is some type of break above this 740, 747. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it out. Do this like a dark line as well. A break up above this 746. So right, so 747, 746. That's what I will be looking for. A break above it and possibly a retest. So definitely will be looking at this weekly. We pull back a bit. Still thinking we can pull back more because we didn't even reach 8% on the SPY. So hopefully we can pull back some more eventually. And I did sell my QQQM call, but yeah, QQQ Tech. What did Tech do on the weekly? Crazy, crazy candle. Tech definitely went down past 8%, a little past 8% from highs. 8.3. I'm sorry, I gotta look this up. I got filled on QQQM, and I sold, but I didn't. I sold. I already had a pending sale on Thinkorswim. I need to know how to exit the pending sale because I wasn't even down. It was just my alert had went off. But with that being said, levels to this. Anyway, same with SPY. We had that drawdown on the 5th. We came down even more on Tuesday. The lowest we went was on Tuesday. And we have been trending upwards. We have been trending upwards with this news. I'm thinking a break above this level. 721. Break above 721. Retest. We can keep going. We can keep going. Let me see what's this at right now. What are futures there? Crazy gap up already on the futures. Right here, Right here, right here. What is that? $2 on futures. Oh yes, crazy. JP Morgan. JP Morgan. Um, JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase, right? Was in his consolidation, was in his range. I see that it broke and it completed this J pattern. Completed this J pattern. I want to see it go now. I want to see this go or either retest this level. That's what I see on this bank, JPM. That's what I see on JPM. Nothing outrageous. Uptrend. We broke this over here, and I want to see it keep going. They have a nice volatility, well, a nice candle as well. Okay, volume. Not terrible, but something I definitely will be watching. Straight like that. Target. What was my last one? I remember my last one. Okay, boom. Target. Kind of same like JP and Morgan, but mm, I want to consider this a double bottom because I can easily I can draw something like this and consider this like to keep going up, right? So I think it's some type of reaction off of 138. That's what I'm watching. Reaction off 138. If we can get above 138 and keep going higher, I think I will long this. I know I will because I see this out of this range, this consolidation, these this level, whatever. It's above 132. So in my eyes, that's all that really matters. McDonald's. I talked about McDonald's in the previous weeks ago. They failed to for they failed this bull flag. They failed this bull flag to keep going. But now I see McDonald's held 276. I'm looking for McDonald's to keep going. They already base. Now I'm looking for them to like flip trend almost. What they kind of already did, but I'm ready for them to form trend. So definitely something I'm looking at. Not gonna lie, something I am looking at. Yeah, Apple. This is like a bonus. I seen Apple like Friday. This was a previous high. And I seen it help this previous high. It broke, retested, and it held. So definitely looking at Apple as well. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, above PDH. So above. Yeah, that's not it. So above 279. 297. 297. And yeah, straight like that. Bleep.